Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution. Today in the video, I will tell you how to get rid of this error when you're trying to log in into your Twitter account. So let's get started. Well, Twitter is one of the most widely used social media platform in the world. Millions of users access the app and website several times each day to get the update on the things they follow. However, seeing an error message such as something went wrong when signing into your Twitter account can be annoying. So when you encounter the Twitter login error, you'll see the error message. Oops, something went wrong. Please try again later. Well, fortunately, there are different ways to troubleshoot and resolve this common issue with the Twitter login. Now I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this error. Go into the settings. After that, scroll down and tap on apps. Now go into the manage apps. After that, scroll down, tap on Twitter. Now tap into the storage. Now corrupted cache files may also contribute to the Twitter login error. You'll need to delete the cache on your browser or on your app. So just tap on the cache, tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Tap OK. Now to clear the cache on your iOS device, uninstall the Twitter app and reinstall it. That is it in this video. I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll sure be answer to you as soon as possible. So guys, I'll catch you up later in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Have a good day.